What if you could turn AI-generated UGC videos into a service businesses pay for without becoming the person on camera? It sounds unusual, but think about the demand behind it. Businesses need videos for ads, reels, product launches, promotions, testimonials, and social media. Creating those videos can become expensive and time-consuming, especially when every new campaign needs fresh content. That creates an interesting service opportunity. Instead of trying to sell AI itself, you could potentially sell the finished video content businesses actually need. Think about a Shopify brand launching a new product. They may already have the product, website, and advertising strategy. But now they need creative videos to promote it. Someone has to write the script, create the video, add captions, produce different versions, and prepare the content for social platforms. That's work a business could potentially outsource. And it doesn't have to be limited to e-commerce. SaaS companies may need product demos. Local businesses may need promotional videos. Coaches and creators may need testimonial-style content. The opportunity is basically this: help businesses turn their products or offers into short-form video content. Traditionally, producing this type of content could involve cameras, actors, creators, editing, and multiple rounds of revisions. AI changes the production side. If parts of the process can be generated with AI, a freelancer or small service business may be able to produce more content without building a traditional video production setup. That doesn't guarantee clients or income, but it can make the service model more practical to explore. While researching tools that could support this type of service, I came across AI UGC Hub. According to its official information, it's designed to create UGC-style videos and ads using AI actors, scripts, voices, and lip sync, with commercial licensing included. One particularly relevant capability is its ability to take a product URL or idea and generate a video around it. It also provides more than 100 AI actors and supports formats such as product demos, testimonials, reviews, unboxings, storytelling, and ads. For someone exploring a UGC video service, those capabilities could potentially help turn a client's product information into finished marketing content. The bigger idea isn't making money because you have an AI tool. It's using AI to create something businesses already have a reason to buy: useful marketing content. If you want to explore the tool behind this idea, you'll find more information in the description.